Welcome back. The database is set up, the connector is installed. Let us now connect to PostgreSQL using PSYCOPG2 and perform our first CRUD operation, create or inserting new data. 1. Connecting to PostgreSQL. We import PSYCOPG2. Notice that the connection parameters are almost identical to MySQL, just with different names: DB name, the default Postgres user, and the default port 5432. We use the PSYCOPG2.connect parenthesis function to establish the connection, which gives us the CONN object. We immediately create the cursor object from it, which we will use for execution. 2. Inserting data with placeholders. The SQL query syntax is standard insert into. Just like in MySQL, we use the %s placeholder for safe parameterized queries. We define our data as a tuple product_data, ensuring the price is a float or integer that matches the expected numeric type in the table. We execute the query by passing the SQL string and the data tuple to cursor.execute parenthesis. 3. Committing the change. As an insert operation, the change is only staged until we call conn.commit parenthesis. This is standard database behavior and applies equally to PostgreSQL. After committing, the new record is permanently stored in the products table. To summarize, you have successfully connected to and inserted data into PostgreSQL from Python. Our next lecture 29.07. Fetch data. See you there.